Velian Speaks Tech here, guys, and I have received the Redmi 8. So let's do an unboxing video of the newly released Redmi 8 by Xiaomi. Stay tuned and let's take a look. Straight from China, through DHL, guys call me in the morning, here it is. I ordered that from the Mi global store, as you can see. Okay, yes, sealed, opombiravano, precitado, whatever. Okay. Whew. And there it is, the Redmi 8 from Xiaomi, brand new, sealed in a box, guys. Redmi 8 Onyx Black, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of ROM. Okay, a very Xiaomi box, I would say. Alright, Redmi 8. I think here you have all type of colors. Okay, so let's very carefully pop open this box here. Wow. Okay, we're starting with the unboxing video, guys. So here, as always, you have a short cover. So we have a pin stick. Oh, that looks quite strange. I never saw something like this in terms of a form for like SIM tray card remover. Okay, so here we have that one. Okay, and here we have the Redmi by Xiaomi. So Redmi 8 user guide. So as you can see, guys, I got the global version. Wow, cool. They have plenty. Oh, they have English, French, Italian, Spanish, German. Okay, Czech, Serbian, Ukraine, whatever, no Bulgarian, but okay, included here. Then here you have also a small pamphlet. All right, with a warranty card. Okay, cool. And here you have also a case. I think that's quite a nice addition. We are already used to see these things into Xiaomi phones. Okay, I think that's the standard like TPU silicone type of case. Okay, not bad. All right, I'm gonna put these things back. Okay, let me just put these things, guys, aside. We don't need that for now. And let's go straight to the real thing, which is the phone itself. All right. Oof. Yes. Redmi 8. Oh God. Yeah. Redmi 8, guys. 5 mAh battery. Screen 6.22 inches. Dot drop display. Corning Rear Glass 5. 2 cameras. 12MP and 2MP. And Qualcomm Snapdragon 439. Alright, okay, see on the back you can see the cameras. Okay, we have a macro SD slot and 2 nano SIM slots. Okay, so this is also box. And okay, here very nice, guys. We can see that we have the USB-C, I hope, yes, USB-C cable, and that's the global version, guys. So we have also inside this charger that will work in Europe, which is quite good news, guys. Okay, but let's see more about the phone, guys. And I'm going to actually start the phone. Let's see what happens. Ah, Redmi by Xiaomi, cool. Okay, so guys, this here is an IPS LCD screen, pretty much nice. So 6.22 inches, and I think it has 19.9 aspect ratio. The PPI is 270. The protection here is Corning Rear Glass 5, so that's not so bad at all. And let's see, I'm just really eager to see what type of Android and what type of MIUI this phone has. In the GSM Arena, they say that it comes with Android 9 and MIUI 9, but we can see already that we have MIUI 9. Okay, so, alright. Okay, so English. Okay, let's go for English. Alright, let's choose Bulgaria. Okay, gonna go for Bulgaria, guys. And that's quite of an. Oh, that's my Google Home speaker. Okay. So terms of conditions, okay, checking for SIM card. What I wanted to say, guys, is that it feels like a nice phone. I mean, probably it's the first time that I see on a Redmi phone such kind of a quality. Really, of course, it's not like flagship grade one, but it does look quite okay. So we have here the speakers on the bottom, and I'm quite interested to see Xiaomi claim yesterday that they have put it like a new innovative self-cleaning speaker function, where apparently, you know, you can boost high volume of sound, and you know, they even extinguish some candles with that. Here we have the USB-C. I think respect for Xiaomi for putting USB-C in a Redmi phone. And here we have the we have the headphone jack. On the top, I think I can see we have the yeah, I'm not sure if the camera can catch it. Okay, see here, looks like an RF blaster to me. And then we have here the notch screen. Okay, insert the SIM card. Okay, I want to skip that. Okay, now we have Google services. Accept. But speaking, guys, about the phone, so I told you about the screen. This one comes here with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439. All right, so that's 439 Snapdragon here, guys. Is an octa-core processor, should be running quite okay for daily use at least. The GPU is Adreno 505. Okay, so let's just continue with the setup here. All right, personalized ads. Okay, I just want to see like the global version. Oh, new time limitless, and let's choose the standard one. Okay, let's go with this one. Has a more. Okay, let's go with the classical one. And the setup is complete, and I just want to see what, you know, this baby is running. I think already we saw that it was running MIUI 10. This is gonna get also MIUI 11, guys. But as it's loading some more information, this one here is a 64GB version, but you can put a micro SD card up to 512GB, guys. And there is a dedicated slot, so it's not a hybrid slot, as you can see. I think you saw also here, or somewhere it was shown. Apparently, you can put 2 nano SIM cards and also have your micro SD card inside, which is quite good. Okay, as it's loading, guys, some more information. Behind you see that you have 2 cameras. So the main shooter is 12 megapixel, and it is running, I think, Sony IMX363, which you can find also in the Pixel 3. So I hope that this guy is going to run Google camera and take nice photos, also with the stock camera. So the shooter here is 12 megapixel with an aperture of 8.1, so f1.8, sorry, not 8.1, so f1.8, and it has also dual pixel PDF, which, you know, is used for sharp focusing. And then below here you can see that the second lens here is actually a 2 megapixel of a depth sensor, which is used, you know, for portrait modes and etc. It has also a LED flash here, and apparently they say that they can, in GSM Arena, I'm just looking, that they say that they can do full HD 30 FPS. Okay, but we're gonna test this, of course. Now going back again on the front screen, you have the selfie camera here. I think this one is 8 megapixel with an aperture of f.0, so f2, and it says that it also has HDR, and apparently can also go and do full HD on 30 FPS. Okay, here we have the loudspeakers here, and of course we have also the headphone jack, and they say that the mic has active noise cancellationing. I think that's quite okay. Okay, it's still loading, so we're gonna see really what is inside. Very important thing, you can also see here, it has a huge battery of 5000 mAh, guys, which I think it should be pretty much enough to go through the day with this. And again, it's not really a phone to be used for playing all the latest games or like heavy intensive applications, but it should be a quite capable phone of just doing, you know, your daily work, you know, email browsing, play once in there some game. Okay, I'm probably gonna do like a more like in-depth review. Right now this is just the unboxing video and the first review. Here, guys, we have the micro SD and the 2 nano SIM ports. Okay, this phone is still loading, so I just want to see really what version of Android. Most probably it's the Android 9 or Pie, and I think we already seen it has been running the MIUI 10, guys. Okay, something I didn't say about this. Actually, oh, I thought it was a sticker. That's not, guys, a sticker. Or is it a sticker? No, I think that gives here, you see there is like a black line that covers both cameras and also the fingerprint sensor. And yeah, overall I think the phone looks quite nice, guys. I mean, at the end of the day, it doesn't look, you know, that cheap. Okay, let's see, I think we're almost there. Okay, music, no we don't. Oh, okay, so here we are, guys. So let's go straight away to settings and about the phone. So we can see here that we are running the Redmi 8 on MIUI Global 10.3.1 and it is apparently running on Android 9. Okay, so let's just take a look. Okay, Android security patch level is from the 1st of August. I'm gonna see if there are any updates. Android version, of course, like we said, is Android 9, so it's the Pie. Overall, I think it looks quite nice. It looks like a nice phone, guys. Again, I'm really impressed by the back. I thought here this black thing here, black line was like a sticker, but not. Apparently, it's not. And in the hand, it doesn't feel so light. I think it's about 188 grams. So yeah, it's not so bad. I mean, just comparing it to a smaller phone, which is here the iPhone 6s. This looks really like a standard size phone, guys. And so, okay, this was the unboxing of the Redmi 8 global version, guys, running MIUI 10.3.1 and Android 9. I hope you like it. Please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. In the next days, I'll come out with a more advanced review of the Redmi 8 and we're gonna see if you can play, let's say, Call of Duty and how it behaves, you know, benchmarking it, camera-wise, can you run Google camera and everything else. Overall, I think it's a quite nice looking phone, specifically the price tag. So again, guys, like my channel if you like this video and please subscribe. Velian Speaks Tech, over.